crafty people, this is Ellen with EGIDESIGNS and welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day. I have two brand new products in here from Glassboard Studios. They are launching October 23rd. The two products in here are the CraftCatcher and the MagInk Tray. So let's get this opened. This exciting things. So these two products were launched to help us with crafting and cleaning up our crafty messes. So let's see. Alright, let's get these open and see what's inside. It's so exciting. Alright, let's get this. Oh, these are the little trays. Oh, there's two of them. Alright. And they are magnetic. Like very... Oh! And there are 3 trays in here. Alright, so these must be the MagInk Tray, and this is the CraftCatcher. So let's see, what should we do? Alright, so these are very magnetic to surface. There's a couple things that you could do with this. You could put beads in here. So when you're, putting embellishments on, this is not going to move. So, and then when you're done, there's a little funnel right there. You can pour it right back into the container. This is also perfect size for your ink pad to hold that, and it's not moving. So if you're doing your ink blending, that's not going to move on you, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see. And there are ridges on here, so I think, like, if you stack these one on one next to each other, that will stay there, which is good. Or you could fill this up and they won't wiggle around. But it's always good to just, have an extra hand, basically, to help you hold your ink pads. Let's see, we could do ink, we could do beads. That's primarily what you want to use these for. And then these are awesome. They have a little lip which fits right underneath your magnetic mat. So, and this pack comes with 3 of different sizes. So you could have it over your whole, I just have the little mat, and that's almost as big as that whole thing. So, just the little one. So these are amazing and perfect because they butt right up against that. And so if you were, getting the little scraps of paper out of a die cut, you can just brush them off into here and then put it in the trash. Because how often is it that we have little scraps of paper all over this, and then you go to brush them off, and then they're underneath, and then you're doing one of these, and then trying to get it out, and all that. So I think this will be great. Also, it would be good for if you spilled some embellishments on here, you can just brush them off in here, and then this has a little spout, so you can pour it back into the container. Also, if you were doing heat embossing and you needed, like when I heat emboss, I like to use a Swiffer. So what usually happens is I Swiffer off, and then there's a pile here, and then it's again the whole thing like underneath, Swiffer. So if this was here, you could Swiffer right into that and then just dump that in the garbage. So that would be amazing. Alright, let's give this a little bit of a try. Let me grab a scrap piece of paper just so we can get this in real action here. So and if you have two, then you could put that over there and you know what you're doing. Alright, so this is very stuck. Like I'm moving my mat more than I'm able to move this. So you just ink it up. It's not moving at all. This is great. This is so steady. So that's for this size of an ink pad. And then, like I had said, if you kind of put those together, either side of things, you know, so it works too with little ink cubes, so that is great. Let's see what else. The distress, there's like a little lip around the edge here, and the distress fits right in that lip. So it might slide side to side, but it's not going to come out of there. I'm like, oh, maybe we could block it off. So whichever way you like, I like to go this way. So if I have it all the way over to the left, I'm not going to have any kind of an issue. I shouldn't have picked such a light color. You can't see it very well. But I mean, I'm like really going hard on that, and it is not coming out. So that is phenomenal. So we have that. All right, let's kind of go at it from the bead embellishment aspect. So one thing you could do is put them in here, because that's not going to go anywhere, right? So now you have something, instead of, you know, trying to, you know, this is what I usually do, right? And this can move around and slide around. But this is stuck on there. So you can really sort through, you know, pick what you want. Okay. All right. I'll pretend I glue those on. And then, so with this, you could just be careful when you like take the magnet off, but it does have that funnel in there, so you can just funnel those right in. Okay. And then let's say all of my beads just went everywhere. So here they are on the mat per the usual. Okay, so then, ooh, if we do the whole big one, then none of them can escape. Alright, so, you know, normally they'd be off the edge, you'd be searching for them like this, like these spills off the side. You have to like try to scoop them up and not lose them and all that stuff. So look at this. Woohoo! they're not lost underneath or around. And then with these funnels on the edge, unfortunately these beads are exactly the same size as the ridges on here, so they don't want to slide very well. But if you encourage them into the corner, you can get them to go there, so that is good. All right. Okay. All right, so I think that is it, but I wanted to show these to you. They're brand new, coming out October 23rd. And very, very exciting news is that my coupon code EGIDESIGNS is worth 20% on October 23rd and 24th. Usually it is 15%, but in honor of the new release, they are upping that to 20% at Glassboard Studios. So if this is something that you are interested in, go over and grab that. Make sure to put in my coupon code so you can get the 20% off. And these come in a wide variety of colors, so it can match your Glassboard Studio mat. So yeah. So hopefully this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will list the things that I showed today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.